Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make Tuscan chicken with pasta. Yes, so these are all of my ingredients that I'll be using. I'm gonna start off with my chicken. I'm using chicken breast, and that's 4 pieces, okay? And my pasta, this is the pasta that I'm gonna use. You can use whichever one you have. My spinach, over 1 cup of spinach. Sun-dried tomato, that's 1/4 cup that I cut. These are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of my complete seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, okay? These are my rest of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of my Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Parmesan cheese, a must. I have over 1/2 cup of my Parmesan cheese. You can use as much as you like. 4 cloves of garlic. This is my heavy cream round here at the back, and I'm using over 5 cups. Also gonna add onion, half onion that I chop. And this is my cherry tomato, and at least 1/2 cup, okay? And what I did, I cut it in 2, as you can see. Yes. Guys, don't forget to share. Please share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget also to give me a thumbs up, okay? Stay tuned. So guys, my chicken is already washed and clean. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flatten it, okay? Because you want it to cook evenly. So I'm just gonna add a cling fling over it. Yeah, just like so. Then I'm just gonna take one of these food hammer and just beat it, yeah? Yeah, that's done. Yeah, that's perfect. So all my chicken is all flat. So now I'm gonna add some olive oil, at least 2 teaspoons. Then I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together in one bowl. I'm gonna mix it all in. I'm not gonna use all my seasoning, guys. I'm gonna leave back some of it for my sauce, okay? I'm just gonna quickly season my chicken breast. This is the amount of seasoning that I'm gonna leave back. Just gonna massage all those seasoning all over on my chicken breast, just like so. You can always leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 30 minutes or so. So guys, my chicken is nicely seasoning, okay? Now guys, I'm gonna brown my chicken breast. So to my pot I add at least 4 tablespoons of olive oil. So now that my pot is all heated up, I'm gonna add my chicken breast, and I'm just gonna allow it to brown for at least 4 minutes on each side, okay? Yes. So now guys, I'm gonna flip it over. Nice and golden. So now guys, I'm gonna flip it over. Nice and golden. Nice and golden. So now guys, I'm gonna flip it over. Nice and golden. 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 And now guys, I'm gonna remove my chicken. They're nice and golden. So guys, my chicken breast is not fully cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 15 minutes, okay? Because you want to make sure that it is cooked, you know, on the inside. Yes, it's looking so yummy. I love the color, but guys, it is not finished. It need to finish. Guys, I just removed my chicken from the oven. As you can see, it is perfectly cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna roughly cut it up, okay? So nice and so juicy. As you can see, it is really hot. See all that steam? So guys, this is the same pot that I used to fry my chicken breast, and what I did, I removed most of the oil from it, and any black bits you can always wipe it out with a paper towel, okay? So now I'm gonna add at least 1.5 teaspoons, and you want to add some butter, unsalted butter, okay? Just gonna allow it to melt. So now that my butter is all melting, I'm gonna add my garlic that I crushed. Then I'm gonna also add my onion. Just gonna allow your onion to saute, guys, for at least 20 seconds, okay? So once my onion is all softened up a bit, now I'm gonna add my tomato. Allow your tomato to saute, guys, for at least 15 to 10 seconds, okay? Guys, the smell is just amazing. It smells so good. Then I'm gonna add my spinach. Give it a stir. I'm gonna add some of this seasoning that leave back onto my spinach, just like so. You just want to add a little bit. Just gonna leave your spinach to cook, guys, just a bit cook for at least 6 seconds, okay? So now I'm gonna add my sun-dried tomato. Gonna mix it all in. So guys, after 10 to 15 seconds of adding my sun-dried tomato, now I'm gonna add at least 1/4 cup of water. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my water to my seasoning right here. Yeah, just like so. I'm gonna mix it all in. Just gonna add it just like so. Yeah, perfect. Then I'm gonna add my heavy cream. Look at all that niceness. Super delicious. You want to make sure that everything is all combined. This looks so good, guys. Absolutely delicious. Yes, as I said, guys, you want to make sure that everything is all combined, okay? And my stove is on a low heat. Try not to turn up your stove too high. I'm gonna add some black pepper, at least half teaspoon of my black pepper, and some parsley. And the parsley is totally optional. You're just gonna add, you know, a nice color. Mix it all in. Some of my complete seasoning, at least half teaspoon. And guys, you can always taste it to your liking, okay? If you need any salt, any more all-purpose seasoning, complete seasoning, you can always add. This look amazing. Absolutely delicious. So now guys, I'm gonna cook my pasta. So to my pot I add hot water, okay, just for it to cook more faster. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my salt. Then I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, which is optional. Just gonna allow it to cook, guys, for at least 6 minutes, okay? You don't want it to be too soft. 6 to 5 minutes. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my Parmesan cheese. And as I said, you can use as much as you like. You want to mix it all in. I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 1 minute, okay? This look amazing. Absolutely delicious. So good. So now guys, the chicken that I cut, I'm just gonna add it, okay? I did cut up all of them, just some of them. Just gonna mix it all in. This look amazing. Absolutely delicious. So yummy. So now that I had my chicken, I'm gonna add my pasta. And as I said, guys, don't allow your pasta to get too soft, okay? Now I'm just gonna mix it all in. Look at all that goodness, guys. This looks absolutely delicious. This looks so good. I'm just loving the color of the spinach and of the cherry tomato. Oh my goodness, so yummy. So guys, I'm just gonna add my remaining Parmesan cheese that I leave back. And I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for a few seconds. And it is ready, good to go. Nice and creamy. So guys, my Tuscan chicken with pasta is all finished. I'm telling you, it's looking super delicious. What I did, I cut the remaining chicken breast that I have leave back and I add it on top. Yes, I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. It is so nice, so creamy. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for you all to try this recipe. Don't forget, guys, to give me a thumbs up. Please go and share this video to someone on your Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Honestly, guys, I really appreciate it. I work so hard just to get this video out for you guys. So please continue to support my channel. So what I'm doing now, as you can see, I'm just splitting it all up, okay? I hope you all do enjoy this recipe, and if you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what. Bye guys, much love.